Ashland from Northwest Ohio. Built this truck in the early 90s when I was about 18, 19. Had some truck shows back then. It was an off-road magazine, four-wheel and off-road back in the day. Back then, the big thing to do was put the scissor lift under the bed, and I thought might as well make the whole cab and everything go up. Be easier to change spark plugs and stuff. And back then, Bigfoot had the 10-foot tall tires on. He claimed to be the biggest truck, but we raised upside of him at a truck show there, and we was a little taller than him. He didn't like that.
It's got what axles? 5 ton?
2.5 ton military axles.
Transfer case Rockwell as well?
Yeah, 5-ton Rockwell.
What about the motor?
454 Chevy, turbo 400.
Anything real done to the motor?
Oh, a little of the top end and the valve train and intake and whatnot.
What year is the truck body?
49 Studebaker.
49 Studebaker. Yep, that's awesome.